What's up, guys? Today we are going to talk about ways to pass the time faster, especially if you're stuck indoors with nothing planned and just scrolling on your phone for hours. Problem with time passing slowly is that a sense of boredom and meaninglessness can start to creep into your mind. The most effective activities that make time fly are those that require focus and active participation rather than simple consumption of content. From my own experiences, gaming, I would say, is the easiest way to pass the time, provided that the game is not too basic and repetitive. Whether it is a competitive multiplayer game, a story-driven game, or something just more casual, gaming constantly gives you something to focus on. Completing missions, improving skills, exploring new environments, building things, or working towards specific goals can keep your attention for hours. And by the time you realize it, several hours have already passed. Having a clear objective can make the game or the experience even more engaging. Instead of playing without direction, setting a goal such as completing a level, reaching a new rank, finishing a quest, or building something specific gives the session a greater sense of purpose. Gaming, therefore, is an effective way to make several hours pass without even thinking about the time. Drawing is another highly effective way to spend time indoors. It does not require professional artistic ability, and there are almost no limitations on what can be created. Drawing characters, designing original ideas, sketching objects around the house, creating digital artwork, or just experimenting with different styles can all provide a sense of focus. Drawing also allows you to see the results of the time you have spent, which can make it more rewarding than activities such as scrolling through social media. Process can be particularly absorbing once you begin experimenting with different techniques and ideas. Other ways to pass the time, but which I don't find as effective, include watching a film or TV series, reading a book, cooking, eating, doing chores, listening to music or podcasts, exercising or going to the gym, and learning new things. While these activities don't make time pass as quickly, a lot of them are very productive still, and so doing a combination of them will help a lot. Spending time with other people can be an effective measure when boredom comes from being alone. Calling a friend, playing a game together, joining a group conversation, or simply just talking a while can make an otherwise uneventful afternoon much more enjoyable. Social activities also provide a change from spending time alone with a phone or computer. Ultimately, the most effective way to make time pass faster is to become genuinely engaged with something. Drawing and gaming are particularly effective because they require active participation and intense concentration. Activities that require you to create, solve, improve, or interact with something tend to be more satisfying than just scrolling through content. The goal is not simply to fill the time, but to find something that makes you forget about the time altogether. That's the end of this video. Have a nice day.